The EETV box offers several intelligent standby modes designed to help you save energy while maintaining the functionality you need. Understanding these modes will help you optimize both performance and power consumption. Your EETV box can operate in different power states. When not actively watching TV, standby modes allow the box to consume less energy while remaining ready for use. Quick Standby is the default mode that provides instant-on capability. The box maintains its network connection and essential services, consuming between 8 and 12 watts. This allows you to turn on your TV and start watching immediately. Eco Standby offers a balanced approach between power saving and functionality. It consumes only 3 to 6 watts while maintaining core functions like scheduled recordings and software updates. Wake-up time is slightly longer, but still reasonable. Deep Sleep mode maximizes power savings, consuming only 0.5 to 2 watts. This mode shuts down most functions and takes longer to wake up, but provides the greatest energy efficiency for extended periods of non-use. Here's a direct comparison of power consumption across all three standby modes. Quick Standby uses the most power but offers instant access. Eco Standby provides a good balance, while Deep Sleep minimizes energy use at the cost of longer wake-up times. Recent firmware updates released in 2024 have significantly improved the efficiency of all standby modes. These updates have reduced power consumption by up to 15%, making your EETV box even more energy efficient without compromising functionality. Now that you understand the different standby modes and their benefits, you're ready to configure these settings on your EETV box. The next section will guide you through the setup process using your remote control. There are three main ways to set up standby mode on your EETV box. The first and most common method is using your remote control. Press the power button on your EETV remote control. This will bring up the power menu on your screen. From the power menu, select Standby. You'll then see three standby mode options to choose from. The second method involves using the settings menu on your EETV box for more advanced configuration options. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Power Management. Here you can configure automatic standby timers from 1 to 6 hours. If you have an EETV Pro box, you can also use voice commands for hands-free standby control. Using proper standby settings provides significant benefits for both your wallet and the environment. A typical UK household can save £15 to £25 annually on their electricity bill by using optimal standby settings. Additionally, proper standby usage reduces carbon dioxide emissions by 45 to 60 kilograms per year, contributing to environmental protection. If your EETV box won't enter standby mode, check for active recordings or downloads that may be preventing the standby function.